It's a new 2019 Buick Encore. This perfectly sized and nimble Encore is perfectly suited for your next adventure. It's equipped for all your driving needs and wants. Automatic transmission, manual tilting steering column, Bluetooth streaming audio, manual telescoping steering column, power heated mirrors, external memory control, aluminum wheels, doors and push-button start proximity key, and intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine. From automobile, the Buick Encore offers reasonable fuel economy, impressive driving dynamics, and an upscale interior at a sweet spot price that makes it accessible to those who normally shop brands that are more conventional. In a Buick, you get innovative technology and sophisticated design for the real world. Take it for a test drive today.
Since 1967, Royal Moore has delivered the best service, the best experience, and the best selection. Call, click, or stop in today.